If you are wondering if you can erase objects from photos in Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open the camera app on our device. We can then select the photo and move to the edit options. That way we can find AI editor and then there's AI eraser. And this option allows you to select specific things on your photos. It will recognize them and then it will try to erase them from the background. So if we wait a moment, as you can see right here, it didn't erase this object. It's, I think, too complicated, but I can show you something else. So this photo was after erasing, and I have other photo that was before erasing, which we should be able to see. So as you can see, there's a button right here, and on this photo, it's gone. And that confirms that this device does have the photo eraser. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.